Campbell.
Are you? That's not on video?
It is. Want me to stop?
Oh, look at the girl in the mirror. Campbell! Who's the girl in the mirror? Look at. Who's the girl in the mirror? Oh, I see Campbell in the mirror. You see the pretty girl in the mirror? Yeah, look. Yeah, it's you. It's you. Look how pretty you are.
Oh, so pretty.
Pretty. Do you look pretty? Who's in the mirror? Say hi.
Pretty good.
Hi.
What's Grandma doing? Chopping your hair off?
Oh yeah. You'll be bald after today.
Just a little. Oh, hi.
Hello. Should we put your pretty bow in? Let's put your bow in and see how pretty you can be.
Oh.
Beautiful. Here's your little toy. Is he singing? Give him a hug.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we're on that game again. Where did he go?
Threw him on the
Perfect.
floor, huh?
Perfect. Where did he go?
Oh,
Oh, Gesundheit.
Bless you.
Gesundheit.
Mwah.
That might do it.
You got all the ends and all?
Yeah.
Where did it go? Are you looking for your hair?
Campbell's first haircut is done.
Say, hooray! Dad, look at it, beautiful.
All done
Give
by
Grandma a
the-
kiss.
by Master Beautician.
Hooray!
Yeah.
See, look at the back now. That
Thanks,
little bit.
Grandma.
Give me a kiss. Give her kisses.
Oh. That's one of many Grandma's probably gonna give you.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thanks for sitting so nice for your haircut.
Well done.
Bye-bye.